Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you my design team project for team package from January for Keepsakesbyles. And before I do that, I wanted to show you an order that I actually got from her. So I ordered these flowers. They're Justine's. Oh, excuse me, I can't remember the whole name of them. But these are beautiful little flowers. And a portion of this goes to help fund her cancer treatments and stuff. And so I encourage you to hop on over there and look at those. And also look at all the things that she has in her shop. She does really pretty things. And this is an example of the flowers when they're done up. So I can't wait to share with you what I have in mind with those. And let me show you what I received this month. Okay. So first of all, she sent me the Elegant Wedding thing, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. It's pink. It's got all sides of hearts in it with the words love cut out through here. It's really, really cute. And this is going to be fun. She sent the poop emoji cupcake kit. And there were pink ones and white ones. And then, of course, the brown ones. But I can't wait to do something with these. These can be cupcakes. You can do, just all kinds of things with them. And then she sent me some more mason jars. And these are Gloria's mason jar theme. And these are shabby chic pink. And these are very, very cute. And there's sparkly paper in here and all kinds of different pink papers in here. So I can't wait to show you with those. And then I'm so happy she did this because I have a project in mind and I was wondering how I was going to do it since I didn't have all sizes. She sent me the outline, the cutouts of what she punched. And these are going to be perfect for borders and things like that. So don't ever throw away some things that, you keep, that you punch out from your punches. You can always use them for borders and things like that. So I will be back in a couple of days with some projects with this. And because I want to get some Valentine's Day projects done. But also, I got these for spring. And I'm just really excited about them. So you'll be seeing little projects throughout this month and next month with these. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. Please make sure you go over to Keepsakesbyles, and I will leave the address down below in the description box, but it's keepsakesbyles.weebly.com. So check her out. She's got some great things over there. And let's help support another fellow crafter. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. All right, bye.